Hi everyone and welcome back to today's morning report on Tuesday the 19th of May with me, Richard Bone, market analyst at Tantech Markets. I'm going to move on to dollar yen now, and dollar yen, strong day yesterday, very good, but as per usual it looks like it's just stalling again. A couple of days of sort of arguably positive candles, although yes, 2 days ago or Friday the candle wasn't that great, but still yesterday's candle was positive, but still no real sign of any breakout. Flat moving averages, flat momentum indicators, just playing the range really, and playing the range. Certainly I think you need to be looking at the hourly chart, because I think the hourly chart is actually pretty good to play the range with. I think you use the RSI. Any overbought signals you can use to go short. Any oversold signals you can use to go long. And you've got all this overhead resistance now. You're now back into this key sort of area of resistance around, arguably around 120 big figure. There's a slight element of pivot level around this level where we are trading basically now, and then above that you've got the 120 spot 27, and then up towards 120.50. So it's 50 pips worth of resistance now. I think you could be using as your sort of band of resistance to try and put selling opportunities in the market, because looking at this again, we're seeing rolling over of the momentum indicators. The MACD lines have crossed over and turned lower. The stochastics have turned lower. The RSI hit 70 and turned down. I think this is another opportunity to use this as a chance to sell. I would be continuing to play the range. There's nothing in this chart that tells me you're not going to continue to play the range and do it successfully. I think that you can trade back towards that old pivot level around 119.40, which, although in the last couple of days hasn't been amazing, I still think it has a role to play in this chart. So 119.40, but the initial support comes back in at around that 119.20 area, and then that's above the key sort of that key near-term low that we saw, that dip of 118.86. So I would be using this sort of rally into this band of resistance now as a chance to sell, and I think there is an opportunity to do so, because I just see a continuation of this range and no real change there. So I wish you good luck in your trading on dollar yen today, and I will speak to you again later.